Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Happy time zones, people. I've just been out for a walk. Been enjoying the outdoors at the moment, and it got me to thinking. And I've been doing a lot of thinking lately because I've not had I've not had the passion to do everything that you guys and girls expect from me, possibly. So I felt like maybe a quick update video. Things are really, really low, really, really bad for me at the moment. And I'm struggling to see a light. I'm struggling to find, I'm not even to see the light at the end of the time. I'm struggling to find an end at all. So I've made a few decisions. Gaming has not been even on my radar for quite a while now. I've been doing it because I felt like I needed to. And that has made me completely lose my passion totally. So I'm stepping away from gaming for a bit at least. On the flip side of that, I am going to start doing some more IRL stuff. I've been doing some gardening videos. The ones that I have already put out on the other channel will be coming over to the main channel. Everything I do now will be going into this main channel. And it will be stuff that I enjoy. And it may bore the crap out of everybody else, but it's going to be stuff that I enjoy doing. So it'll be little walks around. It'll be spending some time in the garden or whatever. Those little things. If I go take Minnie down to the coast or anything like that, I'll just do a little vlog and just put them out. And it's just going to be stuff that I enjoy doing. The last month or more, I've been so ill, and I think the a lot of it was just down to stress and worry. When you're a content creator and you're not putting content out, it's you feel, well, me personally, I feel guilty that I'm not doing it, and it puts me under so much pressure. And me as a person, I can't take it. I can't handle it. So content now that will be coming out onto the channel will be probably about weekly, I reckon. If I can. Um, if you are subscribed to the Beyond the Dragon, you will see the next couple of videos that will be coming out will already be out over on that channel there. But I've got like five, I think, five gardening videos all ready to go, including the two that are already out. Um, so so yeah, that's basically gonna be it. I'm not going to go too deep into everything. And maybe at some point we'll do another one of these or something. But it's just things have been really, really, really hard. The videos that have been out on the main channel, they were recorded before I lost my dog, and that's been a real kick in the teeth. I'm not gonna lie about that. That's probably the cherry on the cake. Um, and excuse me, I've I've just got over, or I'm now getting over. You can probably hear it in my voice. Well, I thought it was COVID, but it wasn't. I did a test and that come up negative, but I've had flu, sort of like laid up, and I can't smell anything. I can't taste anything. It's been really bad actually for the last sort of few days, maybe a week. Um, But I'm now getting through that, so hopefully I can get back out into the garden and start getting another few little bits and pieces done out there. Um, and yeah, just try and find a new normal, because the person I'm trying to bring back isn't there anymore, and you can't resurrect something that's dead, basically. So there needs to be a new normal. There needs to be a new me, and hopefully, moving forwards, I'll manage to find him. Fingers crossed. So, but that's about it. It's just a quick update, just to let everybody know, that because I do have members and stuff like that. So, if the videos that start to come out, if they're not your thing, then just you can go off and do your own things and stuff, and don't worry too much about anything. But I'm just going to throw everything over onto this channel. So it's just a quick heads up, just to let my members and my subscribers over on Twitch, because if I'm not gaming, I doubt I'll be over on Twitch unless it's something, a special live event or something like that. So for right now, gaming it's completely out the window. So I'm not saying it's forever, but at least for now. So I hope everyone understands. Drop me a comment in the comment section. And if you need to know anything, just drop me a DM or something. And I mean, I won't go too deep into everything, but the gist of it, life is hard. I'm struggling, and we need to find, or I need to find, a new direction moving forwards. Okay, so I hope you all understand. But please drop a like, drop me a comment. More importantly, look after yourselves, take care of each other. I'll see you in the next one.